Will I be forced to use my trust fund money to pay off my debts?
It's going to depend on what kind of trust fund it is. If it's a spendthrift trust, then it's protected. This is a very technical area. The bottom line is she would have to come in for a consultation. We would have to look at the trust documents, and we would have to make a decision on whether or not it's worth it to file. If it's protected, then a trustee can't touch it. So she can eliminate all of her debt and protect that money in the trust fund. If, however, we determine that it's not the type of trust that can be protected, then we're going to discourage her from doing a Chapter 7 because the court-appointed trustee would take the corpus or the principal or all of it and use it to pay creditors. So we want to make sure that that trust is going to be protected. If it's not protected, we might want to recommend a Chapter 13 and pay back the equivalent of what's in that trust over a 3 to 5 year period. So very technical.
So your advice would be for her to get in to you or to somebody who's competent about bankruptcy to be able to share and to let them know specifically what type of trust it is and everything like that.
Right. We would have to see it, and if it was something that we couldn't determine on its face, we would then get the advice of someone who handles trusts. Because the last thing you want to do is put one of your clients in jeopardy and see them lose an asset. You want to make sure as a bankruptcy attorney that you are not putting your client's assets at risk.
Okay.
And if so, you want the client to knowingly acknowledge that there's an asset that may be at risk, but I'm willing to give it up in exchange for a fresh start. A lot of clients are willing to do that.